Welcome back to my channel, See.Eye.Why Reviews. Today I will be making my version of Popeyes fried pickles. Yes, y'all. Now I didn't try it, and I really wasn't gonna try it, but and it had the ingredients, so that's what I'm gonna do for you. Alright, I have pickles. If y'all watch my channel, y'all know I got bread and butter pickles. These don't taste like the dill ones. They just taste sweeter, so I'm gonna use that. And I know that Popeyes use dill. However, it ain't no big deal to me. I'm gonna use my bread and butter pickles. Inside of here, I'm gonna coat it with 1 egg. I think it's a medium or large. I really don't know. I got my self-rising flour. This is to dip it once, and then I have more to dip it again. I've just made my blackness seasoning using my buttermilk ranch blackness seasoning. That's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, I got 5 pickles out. You're supposed to use a paper towel to jump off the excess juice. It's still a little wet, but it should be okay. Now, first, I'm gonna take one of my flours and dip it in there. Both sides, I'm gonna coat it. And then I'm gonna dip it inside the egg, both sides. Let it drip the excess. And then put it in the other flour and coat it again. See how it's coated? I'm gonna take that to the side and do the rest. Okay, I have them all coated. I have some grease in a pot on medium high. I had that on for like 5 minutes, so it should be ready now. Now I'm gonna take my little, I don't know what you call this, my food ketchup, pickles in here. And just go ahead and put that inside here. It shouldn't take long at all to ready to cook. I'll get back to y'all for a minute as well. Flip that over a little bit. I'm gonna take this out. Probably the next minute or so, as well. Okay, this probably been like 45 seconds later. Cause it don't take that long. You trying to fry it, not diet. And when I mean by diet, burn it. We don't want to do that to this. Just put a little fry on it. Alright, got this in a cooler rack. Y'all, can't tell me I didn't do that. Because I did. Now I wasn't gonna get into this, but I did. And about 2. This is I've already had. I had pickles. Like I said, I didn't have the dill pickles because I love bread and butter pickles. So I said, why not see how this will taste? Cause I love sweet, salty. I love the combination. I love sweet, savory. So I'm gonna get into this and see. I tried. I think it could have been Sonic's a year or so ago, and I made the fried spears. You can see that? Hell no, after you watch this first, don't you dare turn that down. The button of the screen. Don't do that. After this, then you go over there. You feel me? I was looking at the comments of the one of the videos, and it was like, how dare you eat that without the black and ranch? And I never tasted the black and ranch from Popeyes, but I had blackness seasoning and I had ranch, so I made it. Okay, I'm gonna make the black and ranch sauce first. I put like a tablespoon of the blackened seasoning. This is it right here. Now this is the ranch that I have. You have the regular ranch. Even if I had the ranch packets, I'm probably gonna use that. So I'm just gonna pour some in there as well. It's probably like 3 tablespoons. Okay, this is how it look. Yeah, I'm gonna taste it first, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator to get it a little cold. Okay, definitely got that kick. It's like seasoned ranch. Delicious also. Myself. I'm like, man, I'm gonna get into it. Mine. First, I'm gonna get into it by itself. This is how it look. And then friedness. Like a hint of sweetness. Sweetness and friedness. That's good. I like that friedness. But you got like the crunch from the batter a little bit, but also the pickle was like got like a little bit of like crunch. It's a tasty bit. It's good, but you also taste that little sweetness. Not overly sweet, of course, but this is good. I'm gonna try this ranch though. If it's tasting good by its own, then I know it's gonna be really delicious also inside the sauce. again. The heat's starting up. Come on now. Let me talk. You don't have your time to shine. It's my time now. Yeah, this is so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. It was already good without sauce, but that sauce, it brings that spiciness because of the sauce, but it also brings the sweetness because of the pickle, and like a little bit of savoriness because it's fried. This is good. Oh my goodness. On the video when I made the spears, it was shaped like fries. I think they were like, would you replace these for like regular fries? It's enough for me. Don't get me wrong, the spears is good. The fried pickles is good. But it's just something about those fries. With a burger and a fry, hot dog and a fry, things that come with a fry. Yeah, I want that burger every time. I want my pickles to go in my burger, but not to replace a fry. I want to do that. And the same way with this too. It'll be good to like eat it like after I had an appetizer, or you know, along with my dish. To rate this